welcome back to my channel. From today on, the name will be Sara Nena, a little bit more personalized. Today we're talking about a topic that I know all of you is dealing with. All of you have a piece of trousers that has got this problem. And then you have to throw them away or you don't have any idea of what to do. Today I'm trying to transform the old jeans in something more useful, let's say. I'm gonna start with this denim color and my plan is to turn it into a vest. Of course, the idea came from Pinterest. God save Pinterest. Let's start cutting here exactly where the damage finishes. And this for now can be thrown away. We remain basically with the two legs and we're gonna open them. Voila! And we're gonna also remove this border because the thickness can cause a little bit of problems. Now that we are done, we're gonna place the good part of the fabrics together. And you will notice that there is a bigger part in one side and a smaller in the other. We are gonna sew together the two small parts, like till the end. So we're gonna turn it upside down and we're gonna try to close it. I happen to have another vest. I have to see how big I want to do my shoulder and some place for the armpit. Okay. Now we're gonna double it in half. So here we go with our nice armpit. Ta-da! We are gonna cut this piece and we are gonna cut also this decoration, this hem, and now we're gonna sew the new shoulder in this way. I changed a little bit the plans because this was really like going up to the sky, so I really suggest you to keep really small the part of the shoulders. And I see that here I don't have any definition, so I really want to attach back these pieces that we cut previously so that we will have a sort of, let's say, ornament. And about the hem of the arms, I'm gonna use the same trick of this vest. So I'm gonna do a crisscross zigzag all around, and then I am gonna do this kind of effect. Right now I'm detaching the pockets. I do in a really quick way. And I am gonna attach the pocket in this way. Whoop la la. Voila! This is the final result. It is actually not perfect, but quite nice, right? Actually is quite nice, I think, because before it was useless, let's say. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you liked it. As always, if you want to support the channel, please give it a like and subscribe is the red button down there. See you soon with another one. Bye!